Okay, I've been issued the ALS challenge by my director, Mike, and also by Vikas. And I've been seeing all these big buckets, people getting hurt, barely lifting over their heads, so I came up with a little innovation. Oh, I got my wig on. So let's take my wig off. So I'm going to innovate because, you know, innovation is a nice thing. And here's my bucket challenge.
Yeah!
Go ahead, someone go over first. Okay. Anyway, that was my innovation.
This is the real challenge.
And down there, this is the real challenge.
Woo!
Where's the big
Cool. That's
Hey, let's go! Oh, wait a minute. There's some nuts over there. Thanks, guys.
very good.